Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. Today we're going to do a mystery unboxing. But before anything else, I'd like to introduce my guest of the day. We have Eason of Hungry Geeks. So Eason.
Hi guys, I'm Eason the Guzman of Hungry Geeks. I unbox more of tech and also cars.
Unboxing cars. Laki
Oh,
na.
wow.
Anyway guys, make sure to check his channel out. He'll be joining us for this unboxing. So today we're going to unbox two boxes. The first one is a 15,000 peso audio mystery box, and the second one is a 25,000 peso gadget or audio mystery box for a combined total of 40,000 pesos. Make sure that you watch until the very end because we're actually going to give away a 2,000 peso mystery box from PoundIt. Let's go. Before anything else, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, you follow me on Instagram, and you join our Facebook community. We have two ongoing giveaways. We're giving away an Under Armour HOVR Phantom as well as a Jordan 4 Bread. Make sure that you guys do all of the three things I just mentioned and click the mechanics down below in the description box. We're drawing on September 1, so make sure that you do it so that you're part of the pool. Good luck. Let's kick things off with the first item from the 15,000 peso mystery box. Eason, take it away.
Okay, so first item we have here the Sony Sports Wireless Headset.
So this is the MDR XB50BS. Nice.
So it's more for sports and actually mas base talaga siya.
Yeah, so it's an extra bass headset, and the reason behind that, guys, is if you're working out, of course you want it to be punchy.
Yes,
Kasi
it
diba,
motivates
kasi
you.
while you're doing your cardio, while you're pumping iron, you want the sound to be really, you know, filling your head.
Yes.
Kasi diba when you're working out, you listen naman to fun sounds eh.
Energetic music.
Music, EDM, and stuff like that. So headsets like this are usually fine-tuned to deliver that kind of sound. Now, please do take note, this is still wired, so it's not true wireless, but the great thing about it
it's
is that
on your back.
Yeah, so it's secure, and it's also color orange. Boom. Okay, orange is the color of the year. Naalala mo yun?
Yes.
Yan, orange. Okay. So the next item that we have in the 15,000 mystery box,
It's quite big.
it looks big. I have an idea just by looking at it from the top. I'll take a guess. I think it's the Marshall headphones because I'm
correct.
I'm very familiar with the design of the boxes of Marshall.
So it's a Marshall Major 3 Bluetooth headphones.
So again, the great thing about Marshall is that it is a timeless and iconic brand, di ba?
It's just anyone who sees wearing on Marshall is like, wow.
Oo, kasi it's the brand of heavy metal rockers eh.
Yes.
So that you get that feel. Now, to those who don't know, this one is already Bluetooth. It's wireless. So if you want to rock your Marshall without the cables, this is the one to get. In terms of sound signature, guys, I did a review on this from before. It's more tailored towards the mid and the highs. So if you are looking to listen to like, well, rock music, acoustic music, that kind of sounds.
More on the instruments and also vocals.
Yeah, the definition, the soundstage, really good on this one. So that's the next item, the Marshall Major 3 Bluetooth headphone. So the last item, it's a box. So maybe it's some sort of speaker.
It's a Google Home Mini.
Oh, since you just posted the video on, ano ba yan? Smart homes.
Oh, yes.
Baka you wanna talk about that one?
I actually posted how to make your house more smart because you can buy as low as 499 pesos to make your appliance smarter. You have to just say, okay Google, turn on the aircon. It's just starting at 499.
Oh, guys, make sure that you watch that video out. It's not expensive to have a smart home. And one of the best ways to kick things off is with this, the Google Home Mini. So, from what I remember, kasi I have a Google Home, it's the bigger one.
Yes.
It's basically a voice-activated speaker.
Yes. The thought is every room should have one.
So, parang anywhere you go, you can
so,
say, okay, Google.
Yes.
And then you can tell it to turn on the
This is
lights.
assigned for your bedroom, one is for the toilet, one is for the living room. So all of the devices connected within that room can be activated.
Oh, there you go. So, judging from the three items that we have today, let's say you're an audiophile or somebody who's heavy into music and you buy this set for 15,000 pesos. It's pretty good value because you have something that you can use to build up your smart home that also functions as a speaker.
Also speakers.
Right? And then you have earphones that you can use for working out.
Yes.
Please do take note that not all earphones and headphones can be used for working out.
Not all.
Diba?
It needs to have IP IPX45 minimum.
Yes, kasi alam mo, I've seen so many people rocking their Beats wireless headphones
Not only Beats,
in
actually.
the gym.
Yes, yes.
And that's an expensive headphone that you will ruin. Diba?
Agree.
Because the sweat will ruin the leather.
The leatherette at the sides.
Yeah.
And
So-
it's irreplaceable actually.
Correct, guys. So please take note if you are going to rock earphones or headphones in the gym that you use the correct one, such as this. So the Sony, again, MDR XB5 OBS. And lastly, if you want headphones to rock while on the commute or to chill, then you have the Marshall.
Yes.
So you have pretty much like a starter set of audio gear.
It's a 3 profile actually. So
Oo.
serious listener, more fun
Sports active person, and
then
for your home.
for your home.
Okay, so that's the 15,000 peso audio mystery box from PoundIt. Now we get to the fun part. We will unbox the 25,000 peso PoundIt audio mystery box. Talaga hinagis ko na lang yung gadgets eh. Okay. So Eason, first item.
Okay, first item.
Laki!
Tarang alam ko kung ano to. Medyo mabig-
Feeling ko, well,
magaan.
anything that big is probably like headphones.
It's a headphones for sure.
I'm not sure if it's going to be from Sennheiser or Sony. Okay, it's from Sennheiser. I kind of peeked at the box. So, alam mo, pwede mo naman i-hot unboxing. Mga ganyan, no? Oh, yan, guys.
Okay.
So we have the... Oh, yan. We have the HD 4.4 Bluetooth wireless freedom headphones. That is big.
Laki niya.
Okay, so let me explain something to you guys. So, the Marshall, this is what you call an on-ear. So, ibig sabihin ng on-ear, nakapatong lang siya sa tenga ninyo.
Yes.
This headphone is over the ear. So, it covers your entire ear. So,
yung
buong ear mo talaga.
Yes.
So, what's the point of on-ear versus over-ear? Usually, on-ear is great for listening to music. Well, yun naman talaga yung main
Yes.
point. But if you want more immersive sounds, let's say you're into gaming, or you're into watching movies while you're on the go, usually over the ear.
So this is more surround.
Surround. Mas maganda yung sound stage niya. That's what they call it. You feel more immersed in the music and at the same time, you blot out the world.
Kasi more isolated. So may
Yes.
pagka-echo, noise cancelling din
Yes,
siya.
yes. So again, the first headphones that we have, the HD 4.4 BT wireless from Sennheiser. So pretty good.
Next, medyo mabigat siya.
So it looks like I saw the brand. So, so the next is another probably wireless speaker.
Wow.
Oh wait, I remember this brand, the Voom.
cute.
The Voom, guys. This brings back so many memories because when I was starting out with Unbox.ph, naalala mo yun? One of the first gears or audio brands that approached me to do their reviews was the Voom.
Yeah.
So I did a lot of reviews from the Voom in the past. Now I haven't tested this before, but from what the box says, it says TiVo Smart Pixel Art Bluetooth Speaker.
Wait, so may pixel art siya
Yeah.
na display.
Yeah.
Cute.
So I'll probably do a more in-depth unboxing of this just because it's interesting and it's definitely intriguing. But that's the next item, the Voom TiVo Smart Pixel Art Bluetooth speaker. Watch out for the full unboxing and review of this bad boy really soon. So while you're unboxing that, dalawa na po yung nakuha natin. We have the over-the-ear Sennheiser headphones and we have the Voom TiVo Pixel Art external speakers na wireless.
Next is
Skull Candy. Wow, yan ang retro.
Wow, sobrang retro.
No, medyo bata pa ako, may Skull Candy. At least buhay pa sila, no? So, so this is the Skull Candy, the FX. It's your typical wired or cabled earphones.
In-ear.
In-ear. Well, I haven't tried it, so I won't bother, talking about it. But at least you get variety. So you have over-the-ear, you have in-ear, and you have external speakers with some sort of gimmick with the pixel art. Excited ako unbox to, guys, at gawan ng review.
Okay, last one.
Alam ko na yan, itsura pa lang, AirPods.
Alam mo na eh.
AirPods yan, pustahan tayo, AirPods.
AirPods ka.
Okay, tama, alam ko na kagad eh. So, of course, we have the Apple AirPods 2. 2 ba yan? Sana naman
Yes.
2. With wireless charging case.
With wireless charging case.
Okay, so guys, this of course is the latest Apple AirPods from, Apple. And the difference between this one and the first generation is...
Meron siyang command to CV and then also wireless charging case.
And it's supposed to sound better, but I've tried both. I cannot tell the difference.
You can't really tell the difference, and
Yeah.
also battery life, they say it's much longer.
Yeah, so but I honestly can't tell the difference. And I'm not really a fan of the Apple AirPods. I mentioned it before, mainly because I have big ears. So
nahulog siya.
two things. One, it falls off. Two, I can't get the full effect of the sound. Kasi when I'm walking around, para siyang nag-jiggle.
Ah.
So, ang pangit talaga. Tunog lata siya, in short. Pag ako nakikinig
Depends
sa
on
Apple
your
AirPods.
ear.
Yeah, so I'm not a fan of the Apple AirPods. I'd rather go for the Sennheiser, the Sony, or the JBL True Tune Sound.
Or even the Under Armour.
Yeah, the Under Armour. The Tune Sound is just 6,000 pesos. The Under Armour is 9,000 pesos. Both of which are cheaper than this. So, unless you are an Apple fanboy, or if
you have an iPhone.
Or yeah, even so, I have an iPhone. I don't use this. I have this. I really prefer the others kasi it delivers better sound quality, better battery life. While this one though is sexier. So. Kasi Apple.
White.
White siya. Meron pa ba laman? Ano, ubus
Wala
natin?
na, ubus na.
Oh, so those are the 4 gadgets that we were able to get from the
wala.
25,000 peso audio mystery box. So we have the Apple AirPods. We have the
Skull Candy in-ear.
We have the Sennheiser on-ear
And
and
the Divoom Pixel Art speaker.
so the question now is it worth it?
40,000 pesos.
40,000 pesos. Obviously, in terms of overall value, if you add all of this up, just in my head, it's roughly around 46,000 pesos in value.
Yes.
But the question is, do you need it? Diba?
That's a question.
So if you're going to buy a mystery box, the one thing you should always remember is, would you need whatever's in there?
Depends on actually if you ask. Of course, before you click, you have to ask yourself, do I need 15,000 worth of audio equipment?
Maganda yan pag magsisimula pa lang kayo. Kunyari, you're starting from zero.
Yes.
Let's say you're getting into the Apple ecosystem. Then you can buy an Apple mystery
Yes.
box. Or
If you don't own anything yet, parang
maganda siya pasukin.
Oo.
Or if you own something pero sobrang outdated na and you want to get updated,
Agree.
that's one of the best ways to be able to do it because you unlock more value.
Yes.
But again, please take note, it is random.
Random talaga siya.
So you don't know if talagang alimakom. Okay? So that's it. Make sure to check out PoundIt.com. By the way, if you use the code Ople1K and you click the link down below, you get 1,000 pesos off your purchase on PoundIt if you spend at least 10,000 pesos. So, di ba?
That's
Sulit.
10%
So, pag bumili ka ng AirPods, 1,000 off courtesy of Carlo Ople. Boom! Okay, so punta na tayo sa giveaway natin. So, we're giving away, ilabas ang yung 2,000. Hindi ko i-giveaway yung AirPods. Asa pa kayo? Kailangan ko bawiin, guys, how much I spend. So, what we do is we usually sell all of this stuff to be able to recover the money. So, we keep on buying. So, this is the 2,000 peso PoundIt mystery box.
Box ba siya? Syempre,
siya.
box naman din.
Pouch. So, to make it fun, we'll unbox it na rin. So, they know what they'll get.
Okay, sure.
Diba? Para lang alam nila, actually, wag. Para surprise talaga. No?
Okay, sige pa.
Okay, so we won't unbox this anymore, but we will be giving this away to one lucky winner. So, what are the mechanics? Number 1, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Number 2, you have to subscribe to Hungry Geeks.
Yes.
The link to that can be found down below. And as a special treat to you guys, since I know not all of you have Instagram, I won't require you anymore to follow me or to follow you
Yes.
on Instagram. All you have to do is to give this video a thumbs up and then leave a comment down below on what you want or what you are wishing for to be in this 2,000 peso.
Is this audio as well?
I have no idea. It's a gadget mystery box. So what you're wishing can be in this 2,000 peso gadget mystery box. Please include your IG handle as well if you have IG, so it's easy to contact them. We will be drawing the winners on September 7.
Di ba 8?
Hindi, September 1 meron na akong draw. So, hindi, 8 na lang, so it's a Sunday.
Yeah.
So we'll be drawing the winner on September 8. So make sure to watch out for that. Okay guys, make sure to check out his latest videos. I saw some of them. The smart home was a pretty good video. He also did a review of this, which is the Rockport EB70 True Wireless.
The Rockspace EB7.
Rockspace, sinabi ko Rockport sapatos yun. Talaga sapatos talaga ako no? Rockport, Rockspace. Okay.
Yes.
So check his channel out. The link can be found below. And give him a subscribe so you can be part of the raffle that we're working on. That's it for now. Peace. God bless. What's up?
Boom.
Boom.